What's up, guys? It's Justin with Two Port Garage. Today, the Mustang, the 5.0, is finally lowered. And it is lowered a pretty good amount. Now, what sucks is that the rear tires are one size shorter than the fronts, so it looks a little odd. But she is dropped. When the Toyos show up, those will be the correct size, so it'll probably have even less clearance than the tires up front. And I'm going to answer some questions with this. So these are the BMR 1.5 inch drag lowering springs. I was worried when I bought them. I thought that they might be a little bit too bumpy. The car might be a little bit too sporty, and it just overall wouldn't be that great of a feel. And actually, there's not very much of a difference compared to stock. There's a little bit more stiff, and obviously it's lower to the ground, so getting used to that's a little weird at first. But other than that, I think the biggest difference I ever made with the ride quality of the car was the Roush rear springs and the white line suspension, upper and lower control arms. I think really that's about it. Now, as far as scraping and hitting things while driving, if you live in an area with bad roads, just be aware that you're gonna scrape 90% of the time. And this little chin spoiler up here, the bottom of this is probably scraped to hell, because if you park in a parking lot, they usually have those long concrete blocks, and I'm used to driving that. And so when I take this out and I'm parking, whipping around, and then I hear that god awful scraping sound, and I cringe a little bit inside. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna get this out a little bit more open and kind of show you guys around a little bit better. My keys will unlock the door. Go ahead and get in here. Oh yeah, we're in. I swear, if I get one comment saying that I skipped leg day, look, it's the point of view of the camera, all right? It's not me, I swear. I have to be super careful on these roads because there are state troopers everywhere for some reason, and I have to drive stick shift with one hand, which I'm not exactly used to because I never do this anyways. So now I guess I'll just go find an open place and take videos of the car, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
The next day.
I didn't get those videos, but I do gotta say, if you're thinking about buying these parts, absolutely go for it. Really, the only thing that I have that sucks to me is the fact that with a lowered car, and I knew what I was getting into when I did it, was that I was going to scrape on stuff. Other than that, it's awesome. It's low, it's cool, it looks awesome. There's nothing more than I can expect. They're relatively cheap. They're like $200. I think I paid somewhere around $400 or $500 to have them installed because I'm too scared to do them myself. And I'm not kidding when I say that. If you've ever replaced springs or shocks or struts, whatever, not fun, can go horribly wrong. I was not well equipped enough for it. Didn't want to take the risk, so I had a shop do it. Anyways, remember, guys, if you're thinking about getting these parts, put it down in the comment section below how you feel about them. If you already own them, obviously, put them down there in the comments how you feel about them. Just leave me a couple words in the comments so that I know how you guys feel about them as well. I like them a lot. Remember, don't let anything get in the way of building a fast car. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.